All right. Hello, viewers. This is FM Motion and Frank Magna, your pilot speaking. So, get your keyboard and mouse ready. If you're an advanced user, get your touch screen ready. All right. Before we go any further, I would like to send some shout outs. Okay. So, a big shout out to my medical students in Maya, not meaning the 3D software, which I'll talk about that for next time, but my students in international paramedical and nursing school Maya. And another big shout out to my colleague, my fellow brainstormer like me, Paul Bagu. Alright, that out of the way, let's go forward. So today's topic we're going to be doing spreadsheets. Okay, as you all know, these days the economy is becoming very tight. So as the economy is getting very tight, there's some technologies that you have to know, like some little knowledge on spreadsheets. Okay, so like I said, today's topic we're going to be doing spreadsheets and its programs. So what is a spreadsheet, if I may ask? So according to my research, it is simply an electronic application software made up of rows and columns used for both simple and complex computations, or call them calculations. But you can GPT it or Google it. Yeah, you get even better answers, but that's the one I found that is very suitable to me and maybe the viewers out there. Alright, and one thing you have to take note, spreadsheet programs, these include the mighty or the most common known program, that is Microsoft Excel. Then the new kid on the block, that is Google Sheets. Google Sheets is free of charge, you can use it online. Yeah, but the only problem with online here in Africa, we still have power problems, internet issues, so that's why Excel is still popular, right? And Excel has been there for a while. So one thing about Excel or spreadsheets, we have things like formulas and functions. Formulas are made up of signs and symbols like the plus sign, minus, multiplication, equal signs. Those are the signs I mean. Then when it comes to functions in spreadsheet programs, they are expressed by keywords like sum, range, finding the percentage. Okay, so this way you calculate that. Then you have the if clauses. Like I told you, this is a program that you use to calculate simple and complex computations. So among the simple calculations, this might include maybe your budget of the week, or your budget of the day, or your budget of the month. Okay, whereby you'll be calculating maybe your rent, food, internet, etc. Simple calculation. Whereas complex calculations, this might include data entry systems, whereby you have to enter in data of over 100,000 people. Okay, let's say salaries of government employees. Yeah, that can be a data entry. Then also different financial billing systems. That's also a complex way of using Excel to handle complex calculations. Then also we have statistical research, etc. There are very many ways on how Excel can be used, both in a simple or complex way. Alright, so that is theory for you. That was just a brief intro on spreadsheets. So let's get down to the dirty work, meaning the practical side of things. So okay,